it was amazing to see, 6 strangers connect so beautifully in a span of 2 days. I think all of us just opened our hearts and talked about things that are so private to each one of us, but it was really, really beautiful to see how Mother Nature opens up our hearts. While I was trekking up, I just felt so connected to a tree, and I touched it, and I felt that I was downloading information and completely being one with the nature and with the Mother Earth. I realized I'm perfect the way I am. I don't need to be a superhero. And it was beautiful, and I think that shifted something inside of me. I felt a lot more content and peaceful. So this was my first one. I didn't expect anything. I didn't even know that we're gonna stay in a beautiful camp inside a tent. So it was all a surprise for me, and I loved it. The next one, I would love to do it with my family. I know my kids will love this. They love nature. My wife is a mountain girl, so I'm so excited to do it with them. Can't wait.